Hey y'all, it's me, Miss B, and today we are finding the angle between two vectors. Okay, remember that inverses find angles. Okay, so if theta is the angle between two non-zero vectors, u and v, then cosine of theta is equal to u dot v over magnitude of u times the magnitude of v. So let's just jump right into some examples. I'm going to go ahead and draw these two things here. So let's go ahead and get some tick marks going on here. So okay, so we've got V, we'll label that with pink, is 3i, 4j, so that's about here. So that is that vector. And then I is 1, negative 2 in the blue. So there is that vector. And what we are trying to find is the angle between them, which is this angle right here. It's kind of hard to see in that purple, but okay. So let's go ahead and do some calculations here. So we've got, change my pen color, nice purple color. So we've got cosine of theta is equal to u dot v, so 3, 4 dot 1, negative 2, and that is all over the magnitude of u times the magnitude of v. So let's go ahead and find our magnitudes over here. So magnitude of u is going to be equal to 1, negative 2 dot 1, negative 2 using our u dot u to the square root. So we've got the square root of 1 squared plus negative 2 squared. So that's the square root of 5, pretty sure, yep, which is 2.1. Then the square root of v, or I'm sorry, the magnitude of v is equal to the square root of, actually we found v first, let's go back to u, goodness. Okay, so then we have, no, I did it right the first time. Stop guessing yourself, second guessing yourself. So u, here's v, so then we have 34.34 equals square root of 3 squared minus 16. Oh wait, 4 squared. Should be plus 4 squared, geez. So that's going to equal square root of 25, which is 5. Alright, so then we will go ahead and plug those in. So we have 3, 4 dot 1, negative 2 all over 2.1. Actually, let's leave it as a square root of 5 just to keep it exact. Times 5. So we have 3 plus negative 8 over 5 radical 5 equals negative 5 over 5 radical 5. And we'll write it as 1 over radical 5. But these are all equal to cosine theta, so then theta is equal to the inverse cosine of 1 over radical 5. Negative 1 over radical 5. So go to inverse cosine of 1, goodness, -1 over the square root of 5. Hit enter, and we get
That's right. I'm a blind.
116.56, so we'll run it to 117. 117 degrees. So theta equal to 117 degrees. That makes sense. It's greater than 90 by our picture. So there we go. Okay, go ahead, do this one.